So I've been trying to get my front door in. Yep, the door's sticking. It looks like the latch isn't going all the way in. So we're gonna replace this latch. I checked online, and the cheapest place was actually at the hardware store. So we got a Kwikset brand is what we're looking for. There it is, the interior, exterior, interior, exterior. It's about $8, and we gotta take the old hardware off. So 2 screws on the interior knob there, 2 screws on the latch, and take the front piece off. The latch should slide out, and if you look in there, you can see the metal's worn away from all the use. There's the new one with the metal not worn away. Slide the new latch in, put all the hardware back together, and looks like the latch is working right. All right.
Hello.